I'm now flying to Colombo, Sri Lanka. So I don't have much expectation. I just want to pause for a while. So yeah, let's see what's in store for me. Alright, touchdown Sri Lanka. So from 3 degrees, it's 32 degrees right now. So magagamit na natin yung mga t-shirts natin. And I book a taxi. Hi, what's your name?
Nayoman.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm trying their wandu. This is like bibingka made of coconut bread. So I think this is rice, right? Rice?
No, not rice.
Not rice. What's this? Rice with coconut? We're staying here for a night to rest and relax. Look at this view. So the ocean is just in this. It's my first time to use my shorts, my t-shirts after 2 months. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have much expectations. Here in Negombo, so if you want to chill and start your day, so this is the nice place. Nice place. So yeah, they have different accommodations here. So I keep on reminding that I'm in Siargao, but being surrounded by different people, it feels different and different culture. So yeah, it's a nice experience and I haven't explored much. So in the next few days, I was supposed to just chill and buy some clothes today, but yeah, let's see where the wind will take me. Problem if you're traveling with 4 seasons, you don't carry. You can see a lot of locals as bicycle as their transportation, and there are buses around. This is the public bus. Oh, they have this kind of I don't know. So this one you can see a lot of saints. So Mama Mary, clothing shop. Yeah, basically it feels like I'm in the Philippines right now, but it's different because I'm surrounded by different people. Oh yeah, everyone, guess where am I right now? I'm currently in Sri Lanka, Ceylon. So in the next few days, I'm gonna be touring around Sri Lanka. But I didn't bring my bicycle, I just borrowed this one. So yeah, oh my gosh, I don't know where I'm going. So I'm just gonna explore around, but I realized that Sri Lanka is really clean. Like you won't see much dirt around the road. So this is the, I don't know where I'm heading. So this is the street of Negombo. It's actually near the city center now. As you can see, they're still traditional. You can see them walking. And what I'm really amazed are the locals still cycling. There are so many cyclists here. I mean, local cyclists using bicycle for transportation. So usually men are wearing, I don't know how they call that, but they're not wearing pants, but they're wearing something like a skirt. So I'm on the hunt to find a cheap food and I didn't expect Sri Lankan has so much Catholics. I don't know why some people has a cross on their head. I think it's because to signify that they're Catholic. What's the cross?
Hello.
What's your cross? What's the cross? For Catholic? Are you Catholic? Is it because Catholic?
Yes.
This?
Catholic.
So is it Ash Wednesday today? Doggy. There. Oh. Yeah, so I didn't expect that there's so much Catholic here in Sri Lanka. So even if it's surrounded by Buddhists, and it's still, you can see some people praying and having a different belief. So it's a mix of Buddhist, Hindu, and Catholic. So there. What's this?
Saffron.
For what?
Saffron.
For smell? Ah, you want this smell? Oh, like incense. It's like incense. How do you call it? How do you call this? Hello. So you're Buddhist or Hindu?
Hindu.
Oh, so it's, if it's like this, it's. And you can also see that some Muslims are in here. This is their local market. Let's check the price. Around. So much spices. That's why most of their food are really spicy. They have different types of chili. How do you call this?
200, 100.
Sinellas? How? Sinellas?
One piece 200.
In Sinhala, is it?
This year.
How do you call it?
This year.
1 kilo, 250 rupees. I think this is around
650. Discount 600.
You have size 10? You have enchiladas around 100 pesos. So it's $2. It's pretty much fair. Yeah, like that with. Ah, okay. This is around 1,000, like 100 pesos. This curry powder? Ooh, so many. Chili. Look at this. This pepper? Sabra. So many spices. Wow. This is for food? Ah, this is the dal? This is dal? Not dal? This daha? Daha?
Price
Yeah.
700.
700.
700. Okay. Banana, no?
Malta.
Banana. How they weigh? Hello.
Yes.
It's Ashman's day today, that's why cross.
Yes.
Ah, you
Would
have
you like to go to mass?
where? The church? Okay.
Cross right. Yes,
Yeah.
the church, two churches are here.
So where can I get the cross?
Yeah, you can get from
The church, the cross?
Yes.
Okay. How much?
800.
Last price?
700.
Dress, pants for Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. I don't know what I'm gonna choose. It's nice. Of king coconut in local store is 100. So And the tourist spot is around. I saw another Catholic church here. Everyone, mga karera. Racing! Nahaman pa rin ako ng dalawang bata dito. So I saw this part, there's a lagoon over there and it's in the Pitilia, so I'm gonna head back now to Negombo and prepare for tomorrow at lunch. Just found out that 6.1% of population of Sri Lankans are Catholic and most people in the north are Tamil or Buddhist or Hindu, and in the south it's mostly Buddhist, and I think in Colombo they said it's more Muslim. May mga baka nakakalabas dyan. I think I can imagine Sri Lanka as Holo, as Sulu, 10 years in the making. So the vibe is pretty much the same, but in Sulu there are no much houses. So that's what I can imagine right now while I'm here. Thank you. Yeah, fresh na tayo. Bye, student. Kahamete? We have market here. It's kind of same to where I grew up. So yeah, what I observe is European perspective is different from an Asian perspective. So like I really want to see it on my own. Yeah, so I transferred to the second class, and also here there's still no one.